Down there in the bottom is a whole bunch of gravel in the creek. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Looking good. See if we can get it up here, and then we'll reposition old Betsy here and get her going. Yeah. Yeah, she fell. Let's get some pictures here. Come to Papa. Come on. Let Aaron do his thing over there. He's playing with the buttons. And I'm just watching this side and see, you know, just for moral support. Do a little rigging. We're good to go. Oh, watch the paint. Watch the paint. Yeah, we're gonna have to do some more rigging. Here we go. All right, blue line to the booty, white line to the front, 4-part line with a drag winch. Come to Papa. Come on up here. Try to get it up there, set it up on the edge of the road, then we can winch it up, reposition, de-rig, all that good stuff, and then drag it up the road a little bit. So the brakes are not working, obviously. Tires are rolling, but that's actually helping us. Less resistance, so that's pretty nice. Aaron, stop. Stop. Yeah, slide that sucker right up on the road. We had to move a leg in, but you know, no big deal. It's all good. Oh yeah. Dang mirrors are in the way. Alright. Alright. The rest of it's all boring, you know what I mean? It's all boring. Nobody cares about it. We're gonna chain sling the front. We're gonna use that boom, the rotator, pick up the axle, put it in the back of the dump truck. I'm gonna chain this back up. Chain sling the front, cut the batteries off, throw them in the back. It's all boring stuff, but that's how you do it.